AOLCC's Software and Web Developer Diploma provides the technical training needed to start a career in today's digital economy. The program begins with core web development skills: HTML for content structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. You'll learn to create responsive websites that work across all devices and platforms. As you progress, the curriculum introduces back-end development with SQL for database management and C# programming using the .NET framework. This full-stack approach ensures you can handle complete web application development. Through practical projects, you'll gain experience converting designs into functional websites, optimizing database performance, and implementing secure web solutions using industry-standard practices. Graduates are prepared for various entry-level positions, including front-end developer, web application specialist, and UI/UX implementation roles in organizations of all sizes. With flexible scheduling options and career support services, this program offers a direct pathway into the growing technology sector. For detailed information about admission requirements and program schedules, visit our website or contact an enrollment advisor today.